Unpacking the Phrase Remodel. Transform your understanding. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of English phrases, and we'll be exploring the term remodel. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. Remodel is a verb which, in its simplest form, means to change the structure or form of something. It is often used when talking about making significant changes or improvements to a building or a room, but it can also be used in broader contexts. Example: she decided to remodel her kitchen to make it more modern. The word remodel can be broken down into two parts: re and model. 1. Re is a prefix that often means again or back, suggesting a return to a previous state or a repetition of an action. 2. Model can refer to a design or representation of a structure. So, when you remodel, you are essentially redesigning or restructuring something. While remodel is often associated with buildings or rooms, it can also be used metaphorically. 1. Physical spaces. The city plans to remodel the old park into a community garden. 2. Ideas, plans. After receiving feedback, the team decided to remodel their strategy. Here are some common phrases or collocations you might hear with remodel. 1. Remodeling project. A planned set of tasks to remodel something. 2. Home remodel. Refers specifically to changes made to a home, be it a single room or the entire house. There you have it. The word remodel is not just about changing the physical spaces but can also refer to the transformation of ideas and strategies. We hope you now have a clearer understanding of this term. Keep practicing and keep remodeling your language skills. Until next time, happy learning!